Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to customize your lock screen by adding several widgets on your lock screen. So to do that, you just need to open your setting application. Anyway, the device that I use today is iPhone XR. So to get the widget for your lock screen, you just need to scrolling down until you found this wallpaper. And right after that, you will be shown the current wallpaper that you have for the lock screen. So the lock screen will be this, and for your home screen. So if you want to customize the lock screen, you just need to go take a look on the lock screen part and just go click this customize. And now you have an option to add some widget by go click this add widget on this button. And you will be given this a lot of options of the widget, so you just need to add one of them. So here I think I will let you have this just to know the weather of the day. I just need to click them and they will be placed here. We can also add another one such as this battery level informations, and you can just add more and more. So that is the way how to customize your lock screen with a widget. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.